Let's talk a bit about Pi as a project. You'll get all information from the Pi's web page or the application on your smartphone. There are answers to main questions in the FAQ page and a kind of manifesto in white paper. If it is important to you, the project was conceived by Stanford PhD doctors. Now it is a test phase, in other words, building the potential customers base, which is quite important. Next step is mainnet or full operational cryptocurrency. This is connected to KYC verification, which stands for Know Your Customer. Recently, Pay started to run first batch of massive KYC, as before it was reserved to a few persons for testing purpose. It is not so much important, but some would like to know that Pi's system uses Stellar protocol, and of course, as any other cryptocurrency, uses blockchain. What is important to all of us is that we should collect Pi units, which will be exchangeable after verification. The rule is quite simple. Every day you need to renew your presence, which should rid of bots. If you do not make it, units stop to be allocated until you renew it once again. And what's more, when you forget to renew your presence, it will lower also allocation rate to others. So it's important to remember that this is a common interest of all. The other problem will be persistence of the users and exactly doing the KYC verification. Without it, the units won't be usable. And again, it will influence also others. Not passing KYC will block units both of the unverified person, but also a part of the one whose invitation he used to sign up. Double accounts or not verified will result in burning or deleting all such units. Also, not applying to the rules, such as selling units, which is now impossible, could result in burning them. This is to protect the system against frauds.